Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is Mar, and today I'm going to show you how you can connect your AirPods into a Google Meet meeting. If this guide helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing we want to use is go to System Settings, and we're going to select Bluetooth, and we're going to find our AirPods. So if you see them right here, simply connected. Right now, I'm using my AirPods, so they automatically connect to my MacBook. But in case you need to do that process, what you need to do is to plug your AirPods into the case. So you put them in the case and then you open the case up, and then your AirPods should appear under your devices. Now, once you do that, what you're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and open up a meeting. So I'm going to be using Google Meet, and I'm going to start a new meeting right away. And right here, I'm going to show you how you can connect your AirPods. So the first thing you're going to do is right next to this microphone on the left, you're going to click on this little arrow, and then you're going to select right here where it says MacBook Air microphone built in. Now here is where your microphone, the source of your microphone, is coming from. So right now it's using my MacBook, but I want to use my AirPods. So I'm going to select my AirPods, and now the audio is coming from my AirPods. And then right here, this is going to be for your speakers. Just make sure that it's connected to your AirPods, not to your MacBook. And that's it. I hope this video helped you guys.